In this video, I will be showing you the best settings for voice in Elevenlabs. So if you open up Elevenlabs, you will see it will take you to this speech synthesis page where you will create your speech, the task, the settings, and what the model will talk about. So first, we will look for sample voices here in the voices tab and click on explore. As you can see, there are hundreds of voice samples that you can choose from in the explore page. So if you have chosen a voice already, just click on add to voice lab and it will automatically take it to the speech page. So first, let's find a good voice. So for example, I'll be choosing Alex. You can also click the sample to hear how it sounds like.
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly. You're as old as you feel.
Okay, so once you have chosen a voice, just click on add to voice lab and you can also name the voice. Just click on add voice and click on finish, and let's go back to the speech page and then click on create, and then it will take you to this page again. So head on to the settings and find the voice that you have saved. So for example, it is on the top. Click on it and click on the voice settings. So the best voice settings that I found is for the stability, set it to 38. And then for the clarity, set it to 54. And then it depends on your style exaggeration on how exaggerated you want it to be. So I'll just set it to none. And then just click on, or just put in the text that you want. So for me, I have a saved text right here. And then just click on generate and it will generate the voice for us.
Welcome to the Elevenlabs voice testing session. We're thrilled to have you on board as we explore the cutting-edge capabilities of our voice technology. Your feedback is invaluable in refining and perfecting our product. Let's get started.
So that's about it. That's the best voice settings in Elevenlabs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content.